A pending or failed OpenSky payment does not always mean your account is locked, or that the payment was rejected permanently. The first thing to check is whether the payment information, bank connection, or processing status needs attention. By the end, you'll know the common reasons an OpenSky payment may not process and the steps to check before contacting support. When an OpenSky payment is not processing, start by checking the payment method you used. Log in to your OpenSky account, review your payment details, and confirm that the bank account or card information is correct. A small error in payment details can prevent a payment from moving forward. Next, check the payment status inside your account. A payment that appears pending may still be processing, while a declined payment usually requires a different action. The status message can tell you whether you need to update information, retrieve the payment, or contact OpenSky. Another common issue is a bank-side problem. Your bank may block a transaction, delay verification, or require you to approve the payment. Check your bank account activity and look for any alerts related to the transaction. If you recently updated your payment method, verify that the new information saved correctly. Remove outdated payment details if needed and enter the current information again. You should also check for account notifications from OpenSky. Messages inside your account may explain why a payment is delayed or what step needs to be completed. If the payment still does not process after checking these items, contact OpenSky support with the payment date, amount, payment method, and any error message shown in your account. Having those details ready makes it easier to identify the problem. Avoid making repeated payment attempts without checking the status first. Multiple attempts can create confusion if one payment is still being reviewed. The quickest troubleshooting order is simple. Check your OpenSky payment status, confirm your payment details, review your bank activity, and contact support if the issue continues. A payment problem is usually caused by a correctable issue with information, verification, or processing status. Start with the account details you can control before moving to support. If this helped you understand why an OpenSky payment may not be processing, subscribe for more practical guides on fixing common account and payment issues.